Hello, this is Andrew Abraham. I'm a trend follower. I've been trend following for now going on 18 years, mostly doing commodities, but I'm also stocks. And I just want to give an example of a simple breakout trade on Netflix. I mean, everyone has had an opinion on Netflix. And this is something that looking from the beginning of November and looking for short trades. It was a very simple idea. It's a breakout. Netflix is one of the weakest out of most of the stocks that I'm looking at. And what is the idea is you look to buy the weakest if you can put on a low risk bet, or buy the strongest if you can put on a low risk bet. When that means low risk bet, that means that I'm not risking that much of my account. That's one of the issues that I always try to instill. But basically, this was a low risk bet. The go short was at 77. And the initial risk was at 89, and I risked probably, it was less than 1% of my account. It was 0.96 of my account on a $100,000 account. And as you can see, this trade is starting to work. With Netflix, I had a short of 123 shares. It's up about $1,000. What I want to say, when you trend follow, most of the trades that you take, you have a lot of losses, a lot of small losses. There's only four things that can happen. You have big losses, which I have immediate stops in. You have small profits, small losses, and then these rare big profits. So anyway, this is a short trade on Netflix. Let's see what happens. Basically, it's trend following it down. If it takes out my exit, basically I have an initial stop of 89.69, and I have a trailing stop that I'm following with also. And let's just see what happens. When you trend follow, and I'm looking at a bunch of stocks, like there's been some big winners. Let's say also like there's a company called Cellcom in Israel, which I had a nice position on, 1,800 shares, and it's moved, so it's about a $5,800 risk. $5,800 profit. You want your profits to run, and you want to cut your losses short. And when you look, you can see that most of my losses are very small. And they get even smaller, and then you have issues that you have some big winners. This is what trend following is. I'm starting to teach trend following. I will have a new website up. It hopefully will be up in about a month or so, and I'll teach you everything that I've learned over the last 18 years. It's been a journey. I've made every mistake possible and probably seen every mistake possible. You have a choice. You can pick up pieces of information here and there, or you can have a real-time mentor who will teach you everything about trend following and what it takes to be successful. It isn't any magic system or retirement in a box. It's definitely a marathon, and it's a strategy for the rest of my life.